In this video, I will show you how you can personalize a landing page based on the referring source. Such personalization allows you to capitalize on unexpected link shares. Let's look at an example to put this in context. Here is a page whose link was shared in the forum of an industry organization. In order to fully capitalize on that traffic, I decided to create a personalized message on this landing page for the users who are coming from the link posted on that association's website. So here's what I decided to do. Show a personalized message and provide a free trial coupon to visitors who come by clicking on the link on that association's website. We are going to show this personalized experience on the landing page. So let's go to Google Optimize and see how to set this up. In Google Optimize, click on Create Experience to create a new experience. Give the experience a name. I am going to call it DAA Personalization. DAA stands for Digital Analytics Association. That's the association where this link was placed. You can give it whatever name makes sense for you. Then I have given the URL of the page where I'm going to create this experience on. That's my editor page. And then click on Personalize. Next, click on Create. Now let's go ahead and make site changes. So click on Make Site Changes. I'm going to add new content in two areas. One is right here, so click on it and edit element and then edit HTML. And I'm going to add the text here. Instead of typing the whole text here, I'm just going to paste it since I already have written it and it's in my notepad. And here is the message that I'm using. Welcome DAA members. DAA members get a special offer. Then I'm giving the offer, which is get free month of membership. I'm going to make this text stand out. So I'm going to add a strong HTML tag to make it a bit bolder. And then strong. That's all we need for this section. Go ahead and click on Apply. Here's the message. I'm going to show the same message at another place where I have the button. So I'm going to click it and then edit element and edit HTML. So right before the button, I want to add that message again. So I'm going to paste it because I already have it copied and then click on Apply. Here you have the message. So there are two places where I'm putting this message. Once done, click on Save. So the page is now saved and then click Done. Another thing I want to do is change this from URL matches to URL contains. The reason I'm doing this is if somebody passes a query string parameter at the end of this URL, then it still works. And I'm going to remove this and just type in Google Tag Manager. So remove this by clicking X, Google Tag Manager. This will ensure that no matter which Google Tag Manager course they link to, as long as these three words exist in the URL, the visitors coming from Digital Analytics Association's site will get that personalized message on the landing page. And I can take that particular URL, paste it here to check if that'll trigger this personalized experience or not. Click on check. And as you can see, yes, that'll trigger it. So we're good. Click on Save. Now let's go ahead and put our audience targeting rule. Click on Customize and click on Behavior. Click on this arrow and pick Page Referrer. This is where you can trigger a message based on the page referrer. Page referrer is the site where the user is coming via clicking a link. So page referrer contains, and I want to make sure no matter where on Digital Analytics Association.org, that's their site. As long as the URL contains this information, we should trigger that personalized message. Once done, click on add. Now let's make sure it's already connected to Google Analytics and it's sending information. If not, you can click here and make sure to pick the right view and click on this box. Send email notifications. Since it's saying optimize installation not verified, I'm going to run diagnostic. And it says no major issues found. Click on back to details. And as you can see now, it's all good. Go up and click on start. Start personalization. Click on start. That's it. Now our personalization is working. Now I'm going to go back to that associations page and click on this link. And now you can see the message appears on top, scroll down, and the message also appears in the bottom section. So that's it. This is how you can trigger a personalized experience for visitors coming from a specific site or URL. This is a great way for you to capitalize on a link that has been shared on third-party sites.